Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my original Ipsy Glam Bag for June, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Ipsy Glam Bag, it is a $14 bag from Ipsy. It was their original. You will have 5 products. You will select one of them from choices that they give you. They will be deluxe samples periodically. You'll have a full-sized item, perhaps a lipstick or a brush, that kind of thing. I love the box. I love the opportunity. I fall into the land of, I like to have a few deluxe samples to try. I have super sensitive skin, so it is a great way for me to try products, especially skincare products, before I have a huge one to try, because once I've tried skincare, unless it's very close family or very close friends, I can't pass it along, and I hate to see any of that go to waste. So I personally like the samples that we get. Bag is pink. Look how pretty that is. I love the pink with kind of the eye that looks kind of like a flower. Oh, it's a heart at the center of the eye. Lots going on. And oh, what is this? The pull tab also looks like a heart and it says Ipsy. I love the way that looked. Also, I feel like I feel something in here. Oh, it's a brush. I think this was my choice, and I have to tell you, when I chose this, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but this was my choice. Oh, it's bent over. It'll be fine. Once you wash it, it'll all go back to shape, but this is what I chose as my choice. I've said in the past, I love to choose brushes because it just puts off when I have to wash my own brushes. This is from Luna Magic and it says always poised. It does not tell us what the brush is though, and it just kind of fades. I'm going to point out at this point the chair is kind of crunching a little bit. That's the chair, I promise. From pink to silver. It's very pretty. Let's get into the bag, see if we have paperwork or if I need Mr. iPad. I have Mr. iPad here because I'm going to unbox my BoxyCharm, which just came also, and we know we need paperwork for that. For this one, we have paperwork. Glam Bag, make bold moves. That is what it looks like. And on the inside, I do have the information about my products, and I know this is the one I chose. It is Luna Magic Always Poised Highlighter Brush. It says designed with a precise angled tip. This highlighter brush is perfect for hitting your high points with cream, liquid, or powder products. Fluffy yet firm. Probably true. It delivers a precise gleam while softening harsh lines for a flawless sculpted finish. And it is this is very light on this one. I think it says it has a $10 value. I don't think that's the angle they intended. I think these sides are the angle they intended, but like I said, anytime you have a brush that's misshapen, just give it a good wash and pull it straight and it will generally dry correctly. This is the perfect size for a highlighter. I already have my highlighter on today, but it feels good. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag. Next out we have a tube. This is what's very light white on beige. It's not beige. I'm holding up to you, so you knew right away I was lying. It's a nice purpley blue, probably periwinkle is what I would call it. Dermalectives Perfecting Face Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So I will pass this along, and it says this lightweight serum is loaded with antioxidants to help protect, nourish, and visibly firm your skin. It's got vitamin C for glow, retinol for smoothness, and bee venom for a plumping boost. It helps leave your complexion looking refreshed, lifted, and ready to shine. If this were a full-size version, it would be 30 ml. What? Yeah. It would be 30 ml, and it would be $290. Wish I could whistle good. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Okay, let's see. This is very small. Oh, it says it's 10 ml. Wait a minute. Yes, this clearly says it is 10 ml. Yes, this clearly says 30 ml is $290. That would make this like $93 or $4 worth. Please be sealed. I hope it is sealed so I can pass it along to one of you guys to try. Yay, it is sealed. So I am putting together a giveaway as we speak. So I will tuck this in because this tiny little tube, all hail the tiny tube, has nearly a $100 value. If you have used that, let us know what you think. I know I can't use vitamin C. I choose not to use retinol, which is vitamin A. I don't use any of the vitamin A's. And bee venom. And just the word venom makes me palpitate a little bit because, you know, anything that's slightly aggressive turns me instantly red. And venom seems aggressive. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. Next, we have a pot, and it is vanilla. I can read that part. This says that it is the Nature Well Vanilla Lip Mask. This luxurious lip mask locks in moisture, leaving your lips soft and smooth all day. Perfect for both overnight care or daytime boosts. This lip mask is your go-to for long-lasting hydration and a flawless base for your favorite lip products. If it were full-sized, it would be 20 ml and $10. And we have, well, this is 10 grams. Are grams and mLs the same? I know. For those of you who know what grams and mLs are, that probably sounds like a really question, but I think from past unboxings, I was surprised to find out that they were the same. I love a lip mask, so we will, oh, it smells very vanilla-y. It's just a nice, firm lip mask. Let's see how much quickly it melts down. Ooh, very quickly. And you just get a nice, shiny oil. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a very vintage vanilla. Almost like room scents of vanilla back in the day. So that smells really good. Love a lip mask. So happy to try this. I can toss it in my purse, or this would be perfect for travel because sometimes I take my Laneige, and I have in the past set it on a nightstand in a hotel room and forgotten it. So that will be perfect for travel. Okay, next out, we have a box. It is a box of INH. Oh, Quick Slick. That's the stuff we do our hair with. I love to have this around during the summer. I really hope I'm right about this. I love to have this around during the summer, if it's what I think it is, because I pull my hair back a lot, and I have very fine, thin hair, and no matter how much I use my Vegamore, oh my goodness, I've been back to using my Vegamore shampoo and conditioner and serum now for probably 2, maybe 3 weeks. The reduction in breakage and how much I'm finding in my brush, phenomenal. So this is a sample size of the INH Quick Slick, and it's a flyaway hair finishing stick. I love that. It's not really a stick though, I think. It's a brush. I'll show you in a second. It says this must-have finishing stick tames flyaways, smooths baby hairs, which is a lot about what I'm talking about, and fights frizz with a lightweight, non-greasy finish. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Perfect. I'll stick it in my little purse so when I pull my hair back and then later on it starts getting a little cray. This gentle, non-comedogenic formula is made with hydrating ingredients, plus it leaves a fresh, beachy scent. This is the travel size, and it has a, ooh, that's a very little number. $6 value, I think it says. I'll show you guys what the stick does look like because I will for sure be using this. So when we take it out, it's just like a mascara wand. This one seems to have a little curl to it. I don't remember that. I am freshly washed, but if you have flyaways, like see when I pull my hair back, this is actually probably regrowth from my Vegamore. But you can just take this and go like that, and it just smooths it right down. Ooh, wow, that was a lot on my freshly clean hair. But when you pull your hair back, it's perfect. Or if you get a lot of that, I don't anymore since I've been using the Vegamore for years. I used to get so much breakage that you would see along my part line because I would always have little baby hairs. This would be perfect for that, whether you're fresh or not. That would be a great way to use this, but this is a great product. Next, we have the Doolala. I like the name. And it's from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is the Doolala All Over Glow Liquid Highlighter in Luna. So that sounds fun. This lightweight liquid highlighter delivers a sheer, dewy glow for a natural, lit-from-within radiance. Infused with skin-loving ingredients like sunflower seed oil, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, it not only enhances your glow, but also helps to hydrate your skin. If it were full-sized, it would be 25 ml and $38. We have, it's very little, and it's the white that they've put. It's almost easier to see there. Maybe you guys can see it. It's the white that they've put on that very light color. I like the Benefit products. Back when I had much younger skin, I used way more of their products. Now I'm almost looking for a little bit of nourishing when I use a product, and I want more than they offer. Look how cute. I just took the lid off of it like I wasn't even going to show you, but look how cute that is. Just a cute little tube. Who was it? I haven't seen her in forever. Abadabs. Somebody out there is still watching her. Let me know what her name was. She always said, these are for the Smurfs in the backyard. I thought that was so cute. Comes out very easy. This little tube is full. And, ooh, look at the shine. That is so pretty. Do you put this all over your face or just where you want to highlight? You could put this on under your foundation. Oh yeah, I think it would be great for that. Ooh. Do la la. I like that a lot. Okay, this was another good bag. I liked it a lot, and our value is going to be through the roof because of that dermalectives. So in my June Ipsy bag, we got the absolutely adorable bag. It feels kind of silky. Did I show you the inside? Oh, it's different. Let me show you. It is blue with little pink hearts. How cute is that? And then that is the outside. We have our Benefits Do La La, the vanilla lip mask, the Dermalectives Perfecting Face Serum with a nearly $100 value, and the brush, which I chose. I will use all but the Dermalectives, which I will happily pass along for somebody else to try, but that's a really great bag. Thank you so much for coming by to check this out. If you have any questions about Ipsy, happy to talk about it with you down below. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. I buy my own bags. It was like I've said the last couple of times, it was the first bag that I did on the channel. We are at, in September, I'll be at 7 years. That's crazy. We should do something. Anyway, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here through the 7 years. Let me know in the comments down below. So as we get closer to 7, let me know if you know how long you've been with me, how long you think you've been with me. That is 7 years. Wow, that went quickly. Again, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you again really soon.